Greetings there, Moonwalkers. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So this time I'm actually doing something different. I have never done an unboxing for any vinyls before, but they just released the Michael Jackson #1s on vinyl for the very first time. So what they did is they actually released 3 different versions. Now, the actual cover of the vinyl is still the same, which I wish they would have done it differently, kind of like the DVD. But anyways, the actual record itself, the vinyl, is 3 different colors. So they released a Target version, which is red. They released a Walmart version, or exclusive, which is white. Or they released an Amazon version, which is black. So I have all 3, and let's check them out. So here we go. The first one that we have is the Walmart exclusive. The Walmart exclusive, right? So see the front. It's actually the same. It's going to be the same as the other ones, but it's an exclusive and it's an opaque white vinyl. And let me see, do I have a box cutter? Okay, let's see how this goes. So it was $29.97, and it has 2 vinyls. This is a 2 vinyl. 5 songs on each, and so it's 5 on one and 4 on the other one. And this is the back side. This is the front side. So let's open it. Oh boy. Okay. And please don't fall on my feet. All right. So when you open it, ta-da! That is really cool, but I wish they would have used like one picture for each front cover. So the Walmart exclusive could have had this front cover, the Target could have had this one, and then the Amazon could have had this one. So that would have been really cool. They didn't do that, but I think the DVDs is like that. Each cover is different. All right, let's save that, and let's take it out. Okay, so this is red, and then the other side has all the songs. And then let's see the color. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wait. That's nice. Yes, I'm mishandling a vinyl. It's okay. That's really nice. Hopefully you guys can see it. That's really nice. So it's white and red in the center. That's really cool. So that's one side. And again, this is a Walmart exclusive. And go back in, my friend. Okay. And then the other one. It should be the same, but okay. So this side has the rest of the track list. And then the special thanks to everyone. And then this one is black, which is the theme for this whole look and set. Same thing. That's cool. I like it. I like the touch. So again, I like this. That they decided to go with different colors, and then they went with the theme of the whole thing, which is black, red, and white. Same thing. Oh, let me try to stick this back in here. And this one at Walmart was $29 $94, I believe. So that's the Walmart version. Okay, now let's go for the Target version. What I'm happy about is they actually had this in store. So they're in the bag because I actually went to the store and got them, which is really, really cool. There's a sticker only at Target. The red vinyl. And again, it's the same front cover as a Walmart one. Side by side. And it's the same back cover. It looked the same. I wish it would have been, like I said. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm just glad that they're releasing more Michael Jackson vinyls, and this one has never been released before, so that's really cool. Okay, and the inside of this one, still the same. I love these pictures. Okay. Okay, again, with the track list, and then the red back. Do it this way. And this one is red. I actually thought it was gonna be like a see-through red, but it's not. It's not see-through. It's still nice. Still very, very nice. Okay. This one. I see you. Who can tell me where that's from? I see you. It is Michael related. And then again, same thing. The rest of the track list for side C, side D, and then the thank yous. Why is the MJJ production logo upside down? I gotta go back and check if it's upside down on the other one. And then again, black on the other side. So same thing as a Walmart version. Okay, so side A, Don't Stop Till You Get Enough, Rock With You, Billie Jean, Beat It, Thriller. And then side B is Human Nature, I Just Can't Stop Loving You, Bad, The Way You Make Me Feel, Dirty Diana. Side C is Smooth Criminal, Black or White, You're Not Alone, and Earth Song. Side D is Blood on the Dance Floor, You Rock My World, Break of Dawn, and One More Chance. You know, the thing that sucks is you can't really skip. At least on my record player. You can't skip songs. But yeah. Okay. So this is the Target version. And now he's up here. Okay. And now the Amazon version. Oh, this is actually something else that I got. Okay. This box came open. So hopefully the vinyl is in there. I hate that. And yes, I did report it out. Because no box should come open. A box inside a box. Okay. Sealed. Is that SMR? I don't know. Okay, the big reveal. All right. So this is the Amazon version. So the like Walmart version said what a color was, and it said like Walmart exclusive. So I don't know if this is like an Amazon exclusive or probably not. Probably they sell it elsewhere. I haven't really checked. They might sell it elsewhere. So, but to me, I'm just going to put Amazon exclusive, which it might not be because it doesn't say exclusive. And oh, okay, let's open it. Just trying like not to cut the inside. Could you just do that? That's 10 times harder. Here we go. Okay. Red, white with a track list. And this is like the OG version. Side A and side B is the same thing. It would have been cool if it would like one. I don't even know if they can do that though. Like one side, one color, no? Maybe not. Maybe I'm just. Anyways. But that would have been cool though, if it was possible. And I'm not criticizing, I'm just, different ideas. But everyone's different, so it's okay. I'm just happy that we got. Gee, you're giving me a hard time. I'm just glad that we got some new stuff in the MJ way. Thank yous. Black signs.
Applehead.
Michael.
What?
Sir. One side. And the other side. This one's straight, and then this one's all crooked. So yeah, this is again the Amazon copy that I got. I don't believe like it's an Amazon exclusive, but who knows? Amazon. Oh, wait, hold on. I know, because the Target one has a sticker. Walmart. And Target. Target. And yeah, those are the 3 versions of the Michael Jackson #1s. Yay! I like it. I love it. I love the color. I love that they decided to do 3 different colors. I don't know why I did that, but it's kind of like the same idea what they did with Invincible. Invincible. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm excited. I'm happy. And catch them if you can. The next time. You know what? Since y'all are here, let's do a bonus thing. Let's just open the other package that I got. Let's see what this is. Why not? Right? What is this? Thank you for the nice packaging. Ha ha ha. Ta-da! I've always wanted this. Always wanted. I didn't own copy as a kid. Oh my god, cassettes! What? It's actually in great conditions, and they didn't rewind it. Oh, yo, that's so cool! My god, I can't believe it's 2026 and I'm holding a VHS set. Which is in really good conditions too. Man in the Mirror. A retrospective of 24 years of hits. Batter, Speed Demon, Leave Me Alone, Smooth Criminal, Come Together, The Moon is Walking. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. And it's actually in really good conditions too. Oh, I'm happy about this. I'm excited. I don't know if you guys can see it on there. I was gonna check, right? Which one was the one that was upside down? Take it out. Let's see, one of these. Which is this one? Nope, it's on the thank you. This is the Amazon version. Yeah, that's kind of odd. I'll take a picture and I'll post it on the video. But the MJJ Music logo is upside down. That's really odd. Okay, so that's the Amazon version. I don't recall which one was the one that I realized it was like that. Let's see. Okay, this is the Walmart version. And again, it's upside down. And I don't like things that are upside down. And the Target version is upside. If you got a copy of these vinyls, let me know in the comments if your MJJ Music logo on the thank yous is upside down as well. Because what's up with that? But anyways, I think these are cool. I love my vinyls and I love my little Moonwalker VHS cassette. Till next time, see you later, alligator. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell if you haven't. See ya!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you so much. Imagine this wasn't recording.
Yeah.